So we're going to do a breakdown of the very first problem so it's easier to solve all the other ones because they're all formatted pretty much the same, just different numbers and different real world examples. So in this example right here, we see that Sarah has 4 times as many apples as her friend Tom. Tom only has 7 apples. So we want to know how many apples does Sarah have? So as you can see right here, we're told that Sarah has 4 times as many apples as Tom does. So we already know that Tom has 7 apples. So that number is already for sure there. Tom has 7, okay? But we need to find out how many apples Sarah has. So to find the number of apples Sarah has, we need to set up a multiplication equation. So we already know that since Sarah has 4 times as many apples as Tom, that we need to multiply whatever number that we have for Tom by 4, and that will equal our sum. So put S as sum. Now we're going to write out our equation. So if you remember the problem, it gives us a number 7, meaning that Tom has 7 apples, right? So we're going to write T as 7, okay? Since Sarah has 4 times as many apples as Tom, we're going to use something like this, where we have the sum times the amount more that Sarah has times T, which is how many Tom has, right? So we already know that this 7 is going to go right here in this spot for Tom, because Tom has 7 apples. And we also know that Sarah has 4 times the amount that Tom has. So we know that T equals 7. So we're going to substitute 7 for T in this equation, and then we're going to multiply 4 times 7. When we multiply 4 times 7, we get 28. Therefore, Sarah has 28 apples. So now that we understand that Sarah has 4 times as many, meaning we multiply the quantity Tom has by 4, right? We know that Tom has 7 apples. That's our given in the problem. So we can calculate that 4 times 7 is going to equal 28. Therefore, Sarah has 28 apples.